Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back and a very good Tuesday afternoon to you. We start off with our Aztec Chevrolet 6 weather bug off in Beeville. A little bit of cloud coverage there, but still plenty warm, 85 degrees, southeasterly winds. 13 miles an hour with 500s recorded officially out there. And Nissan Automotive, 6 weather bug off in Kingsville. A little bit more sun out there, 89 degrees, easterly winds still dominating at 11 miles per hour. And as we look at the looping radar, there wasn't a whole lot. It was more straight isolated in nature, especially compared to previous days. But nonetheless, the showers were still out there. And right now, most of that activity is off into the inland areas. We got a couple of little thunder showers just to the south of Benavides, right around Riolitos and south of Heronville as well, going along 16, out around Freer too. A little bit of some light sprinkles. This is up in LaSalle and McMullen County, up around Fowlerton and Tilden. We got a couple of little sprinkles that are lingering too. Again, the rainfall amounts were not too exciting, but nonetheless, out at the Naval Air Station near Flower Bluff, reporting over ½ an inch of rain there, and almost 1/10 of an inch off in Falfurrias. But anywhere you see some of these little blue dots, that's still anywhere Doppler indicating anywhere between 1/4 up to 3/4 of an inch of rain fell. So these are still some locally heavy rainfall spots with these tropical showers that are going to continue to be in the forecast over the next several days. But they're going to be, as I mentioned, pretty straight in nature. Water temperature has warmed out to 84 degrees. We're holding on to 87 right now. We have 89 from Ingleside, Kingsville, Mathis, Orange Grove, you're included, with Alice and Falfurrias checking in at 90 degrees there. But it's feeling like 103 out at the Naval Air Station, 100 off in Ingleside, and pretty close to the century mark for our inland communities as well. So take it easy out there if you are working, and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Our evening forecast does drop temperatures into the lower 80s by 10 o'clock tonight, with these southeasterly winds taking over around 6 to 12 miles per hour. Our weather pattern continues to be really damp and humid across the region as we have that flow coming in off of the Gulf of Mexico, and now the remnants of Rosa are now causing a whole lot of showers and thunder shower activity off around the Four Corners area. Even up to the north, we have the frontal boundary still pretty much in place, and all the cold air is being kind of shoved back up to the north because we have this big bulb of high pressure that's kind of moving all that cold air back up to the north. We have a few disturbances that are off towards the west, and they're going to do their best to make their way down, but it's going to take some time. Notice as we go into Thursday afternoon, high pressure still in control here, but we're weak in nature, those high pressure domes, and so that's still the opportunity for some stray showers. And the jet stream starts to come down a little bit more as we go on into Friday and on into Saturday as well. What that's going to do for us here is increase our moisture. That's really going to pick up the winds coming off of the Gulf of Mexico. So windier conditions on Friday and on into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as well. Then as this continues to dive down, we're going to get a few little disturbances that are going to swing across the belly of this, and we'll look for the chances of rain to once again increase. So humid again tomorrow, above normal temperatures, a passing thunder shower, east-southeasterly winds 7 to 14 miles an hour. We'll look at the upper 80s to lower 90s near the coast, and plenty of lower 90s for our inland communities. Future trackers showing the possibility of a couple of sprinkles, some light patchy fog early in the morning, and just like this afternoon, a few of those straight thunder showers across the region. Our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 91 for tomorrow, 91 on Thursday. Straight thunder showers stay with us, but it's going to be mainly hot and steamy all the way through the weekend. And then on Sunday, increasing moisture leads to scattered thunder showers by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Mike.
All right.